Yeah, pretty much.
I'm out of breath already. Yeah, but does yours do this?
Right, okay, everyone listen up. Just to make sure, do we all know what we're doing?
Nope.
Running?
Okay, so the enemy team have to find different body parts in the woods, which they will then take to Endor. Do you know where Endor is?
What are you talking from?
I've got,
Ah.
yeah, got teeth in. So they have to find body parts in the main square of the woods. If you don't know where that is, that track we were just on, that goes around the whole site in a rectangular shape. Basically, anywhere within that rectangle. If you're going over there or over there, there's no point in you being there, so don't do that. Boundaries wise, I mean, you can go over there, obviously, I guess, but again, there's no point, so don't bother. You have one life out in the field, so one off the shoulder revive, off the foot, whatever, don't mind. And then once you've had your one life, back here is your hard respawn, okay? So one life out in the field, and then when you're dead, you come back here, and you can go straight back in and you get one life out in the field again. Okay? That is purely your objective, is to stop them from getting the body parts to Endor. You are not allowed, however, to camp around Endor because Dr. Frankenstein is there and he won't be very happy with it. Okay? So basically just spread out, be a disruption. Yeah?
When do we get a bueno?
Pardon?
Bueno.
Bueno?
Yeah, when do we get the bueno?
What bueno?
Yeah, so bloody random, Aaron.
Okay, I'm going to ignore you for the rest of the day.
Do you want me to shoot?
Pardon?
Do you want me to shoot?
Later. Right, okay. Another quick reminder, if you have bought any pyro and it's quite wet and stuff, it doesn't go off, let us know. We'll dispose of it properly and replace it, okay?
I've got a backpack.
Sonia has a backpack full of pyro.
You know I'll do it. I'm not afraid to shoot you in the nuts.
Come here.
Right, okay.
Or we can try.
Are we all clued up now?
Yeah.
Right. How many lives you got out in the field?
One.
How do you respawn?
Come back here.
Or be
How do
medic.
you respawn out in the field?
Medic.
Someone come over here.
Medical
Well
2
done.
minutes and then come back in.
Okay, cool.
And then we get a bueno.
You also have a bleed out period of 2 minutes. So if you get shot out there and no one comes to get you,
No one loves you and you've got no friends.
alright? So you're not stood out there forever.
Then we get a bueno.
What? Aaron, shut up.
Did I hit?
Is there one bueno?
Has anyone got any questions?
Is there one bueno? Or is there enough to go round?
I heard it was a Kinder egg.
10 seconds.
Well, Aaron, if he goes for range, I'll smash him.
Game
Game on!
Why are people running already?
Right, first objective, get the boy in.
Find the bueno.
Pardon?
I don't know where I'm going to.
Just follow you guys.
We don't know where we're going either.
Just find a Kinder Bueno somewhere. We push in, or if we carry on left, or carry on up there and then up.
We could flank them, couldn't we?
Should try it. Right, let's go.
No, I'm not running. I can't run.
Get hit in the chest by a snake.
So where's Endor again?
Endor is over there, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, it's that small building.
Yeah. Blank round.
Alright, grab everyone down to Endor.
Endor.
again.
Is it close?
The impenetrable fortress.
I've got a pistol, but no.
Well, I'll be back.
Oh, but
Not filling it up with fucking 3 4 Oh, look at this. This one here earlier.
how fresh is that? Look at the colour of the wood.
Take it on and burn it.
Right, okay. So, standard King of the Hill game. You got to get into Endor. You know the tower, the stairs.
Can you put your
Yep.
teeth in, please?
Pardon?
Teeth in.
I haven't got the teeth on me.
What about health?
So, yeah, as you may have just heard over the radio, smoke grenades, not poisonous gas. So you can just walk straight through a smoke if it's in a room. Half an hour total time, I believe. Just got to hold it the longest. That's it. The reason we started you in here is because we always get complaints about when we start you on the track that you shoot each other up the track and no one gets anywhere. So that's why I started you here. Just,
I brought the wrong gun.
yeah. So straight shot that way. Once you're dead, come back here. Go straight back in. Okay. Right.
And that's
And
is that
then do we get a
I think the
bueno?
bueno would have been more useful than that.
Oh, normal.
We got to push in there then. You going for a leak? Yeah, we got to
Run
get
it.
in. Come on, Mark. King of the hill.
That's a good start.
Good try then, mate.
Thank you.
I think it's two around that corner there.
Go around the other side then.
How many? One or two.
Where's the tower for the flag?
The tower room over the other side. Not
They hold it up.
What?
Up there.
Yeah, how'd you get to it?
You tell them.
to where?
To the flag.
Oh, right. Come on, guys. We'll be in it, win it.
How do we get the flag actually raised up?
Watch your back.
You're in the building. Let's take the building back.
No more.
Did you get it?
No.
Are you there?
The guard tower that says guard tower.
Drag them in. Drag them
All you got to do is get your arse in the tower. And the clock starts ticking.
In the tower.
In the
That
tower.
tower.
We get up there with you.
No, that one
That
that says
one.
guard
I
tower.
can't see a fucking
It's the
tower.
Marshall Tower.
Hit. Nearly.
I'll go around the other side then.
I realised there wasn't 3 doors to the building.
You alright, bud?
What?
You alright?
Yeah. Just fucked over.
Oh no, you alright?
Yeah.
Whoever fucked over, you alright?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm good.
I got 2 kills in a row. Well happy.
Come on guys, go to the building, take the tower. It's a time game, the team with the longest time.
Where is the tower? I don't know where the tower is.
When you go in there, you can see it here. Fucking that red.
Big hint as to what team's got the tower at the moment.
Come on.
We need to push around that side.
What
stop
are we
it.
waiting on?
Nothing. We
Christmas.
got the tower.
Oh no, you get caught.
That was painful.
Fucking caught your hits, Christ's sake.
fast that was. Remember the objective, gents.
Let them choose their own.
Oh, people coming in?
Yeah, but you don't.
Three in a row.
Yeah.
Just in there, inside that room.
Oh, I can't blind fire.
The mirrors here if you face it. The mirror just to see it's who's holding it again.
Nice. Are you hit?
No. I sort of half dodged.
I'm shot from here. Alright, okay. What, is there someone in there?
Hey!
Hit! Right in the bonce. Hey?
Put in the bunker now, yeah, they come up from behind.
You see him, guy? Hit! Fuck's sake.
Prepare for the light.
I can't see shit.
They're coming down that hill on all feet, except for one thing.
Sun.
Yeah, exactly.
Sun.
I'm running straight to the building.
No, I'm following him.
We're outnumbered now as well. 2 or 3 of ours are left.
2 or 3 sides left?
Yeah.
Oh. And we've got one sorted as well, because I'm back.
I've got 1 clip left. And then I'm going back to the cab.
Yeah. I go to the market.
The mag will just give you so much drops of this and that. Because imagine I found both your mags.
I've still got my mag.
At the back?
Yeah, like a drop mag. Imagine if I found that. I found both your mags.
They've all gone.
They've gone?
Yeah, we've lost 3 or 4 of ours.
Oh, they've actually gone in.
Yeah.
You want to compete?
I'll leave this here and I'll
They
just
sit at the
push on
back
the
anyway.
pistol. I'll just leave it.
Explain what you're doing.
No.
Yes!
Kickbacks.
I'm going to leave,
Right,
I'm
my
gonna
team's
leave this
ready,
here.
mate. On your go.
I'm going to leave my gun here, right, and I'll give it back to you when I'm done.
Kick names, kick asses.
What?